Hello. Welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer. And today we are going to sew a sweatshirt Louise. This sweatshirt is designed for pregnant and nursing mothers. It features invisible zippers in the princess seams on the front, long sleeves. Neckline is hemmed with facing. As usual, you can download the PDF pattern of these shorts below the video in the description box. For sewing these pants, we recommend using thick knitwear with lycra. 2-thread or 3-thread French terry is perfect. The fabric should be dense, stretch well, and then restore its shape. You will also need the interfacing tape and 2 invisible zippers for nursing cuts. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decate the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric observing directions of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns. And trace the patterns along the counter. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. And do not forget to interface the pieces as indicated on the patterns. Let's get sewing. We'll start with the zipper. Overlock and press the edges where the zipper will be placed. Pin one part of the zipper to the central part of the front according to the notches. Sew the zipper. Pin the second part of the zipper to the front side. Stitch. Sew the curved edges at the top and bottom of the zippers. Now the assembling. Place the front and back pieces right sides together. Sew them using an overlocker. Press the seam allowances onto the back. Pin the sleeves into the open armhole, matching the notches. Sew in. Press the seam allowances onto the sleeve. Pin the side seam of the garment and the sleeve seam, matching the notches. Sew with one line. Press the allowances onto the back. We're moving on to the neck facing. Sew the neck facing into a ring. Press the seam allowances flat. Pin the neck facing to the front and back pieces, right sides together, matching the notches. Stitch. Press. Sew the seam allowance to the facing side at 0.1 centimeter. Fasten the facing along the shoulder seams from the wrong side. Overlock the bottom of the sleeves. Fold the bottom of the sleeve to the width of the allowance and top stitch. Overcast the bottom of the sweatshirt using an overlocker. Fold the bottom of the sweatshirt to the width of the allowance and top stitch. Give the sweatshirt a final press.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.